Very good evening, friends. Let's quickly take a look at one question between in professional ethics. That is the difference between NOCLAR versus SA 250. It was asked in May 24 as well. So, been a couple of years. So, pay full attention and make full use of it. And along with this, parallelly complete few more things in NOCLAR as well. So that because a lot of chances for coming every alternate question has been asked from NOCLAR. So NOCLAR, that is non-compliance with laws and regulations versus SA 250. So these are the various bases. If you blindly read the study material, it will be very challenging for you to remember because they have just given it straight away. So I made it very simple for you. So let's quickly get going, and within 2 minutes you'll be able to remember this point. First is applicability. So NOCLAR, it is applicable for the professional accountants in service as well as in practice, whereas when it comes to SA 250, only for audit and not for assurance engagements. Next is auditor's role. So NOCLAR, non-compliance that causes substantial harm resulting in serious consequences in financial or non-financial terms, whereas when it comes to SA 250, laws having direct effect on determination of material amount and disclosures, and other laws not having direct effect on determination of amounts or disclosures, but their complaints fundamental to operating aspect of the business. So this is the elaborate auditor's role when it comes to difference between NOCLAR versus SA 250. And when it comes to stakeholders, the next point, that is NOCLAR stakeholders are clearly defined. That is, it affects the non-compliance on investors, creditors, employees, and general public. Whereas when it comes to SA 250, there is no particular stakeholders has been defined in it. Next is more detail. NOCLAR is more detail. That is, in case of awareness, when the professional accountant becomes aware of any imminent breach of law or regulation, he should exercise professional judgment and determine whether to disclose immediately to appropriate authority, whereas this provisions regarding this disclosure immediate action is not there in SA 250. So let's quickly summarize the basis around. First is applicability, next is auditor's role, next is stakeholders, next is more detail. So what are the key terms is NOCLAR professional accountants, whereas SA 250 only for audit, and NOCLAR in auditor's role, the key terms are substantial harm and financial non-financial terms, whereas in case of SA 250 the catch terms are determination of material amounts and disclosures, and stakeholders specifically defined in NOCLAR, where SA 250 non-defined, and NOCLAR more detailed imminent breach of law regulation. No such provision in SA 250. That is it. This is what expected from you to get those 4 or 5 marks. Make full use of it. Keep going. All the best wishes.